Hi, I'm Rosie Batista with Sleeping Naked After 40, and I'm here today on behalf of eHow.com to bring you a chocolate peanut butter blueberry smoothie. And what could be more delicious than that? Chocolate and peanut butter in a mix with amazing nutrient-rich foods. So we're going to start with raw cacao, which is chocolate in its purest form that has no sweetener in it. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now you always want to watch your peanut butter and make sure that your peanut butter has nothing but crushed peanuts in there. Sometimes some manufacturers will add some unnecessary oils and sweeteners that really aren't necessary for the delicious nuts taste. And then we have frozen blueberries, which are really rich in antioxidants. And I love using frozen fruit in my smoothies because it makes them nice and deliciously cold without having to add extra ice, which makes it sometimes too watery. So we're going to add our blueberries. And we have half a cup here of chocolate flavored almond milk. I'm going to add that. And we're going to add a tablespoon of chia seed. Now, chia seed is a great food because it really makes you feel full. It's also filled with nutrients. It has more calcium than milk and more iron than spinach. So it's a great thing to add into any smoothie that you're making, and it really has no taste. And then we're going to add a half an avocado. An avocado is a great fat for your body. It fills you, it's satiating and satisfying, and you really do not taste it in a smoothie, but it's going to add some creaminess that makes it absolutely amazing. So here we go with all our beautiful ingredients, and we're going to mix up our chocolate peanut butter blueberry smoothie. And here we go. Oh my God, this looks so good, and so it smells so chocolatey. I like to use see-through glasses for my smoothies, and this one deserves a special one, which is a really fun shape. And I just like to put my smoothies into these kind of glasses because you can kind of see, and it just makes it more fun to eat. Smells so chocolatey, so delicious. It actually is the consistency of pudding. So let's see how it tastes. Oh, that is really very yummy. Ciao for now.